Hi, so I decided to do 2 videos and knock this weekend's videos out, so if I look the same, that is why. So my video that I'm shooting today is on Vellabox. So if you didn't see last month's box, or my last video on this box, it is a candle subscription service starting at $10 per month. And all the candles are super safe. They are made without any of that icky stuff. They're made by local artisans in the United States. And they always smell super duper good. So let's see what I got this month. I really need a candle, so I'm glad I noticed this box. I got it the other day. Okay, actually I got it when I got back from Jamaica. I was waiting for me. Okay, it always comes super cutely wrapped. So it looks like there's some trees, probably like a fall theme. So I get the, there's a $10, $20, and a $30 box. They all have their own names. I get the $30 box, which I believe is called the Vivere box. I could be saying that wrong because I say everything wrong. But I get one large candle, 8-ounce candle, and I get a 4-ounce candle. So the $10 subscription starts with a smaller candle size. And then I believe the $20 subscription is the bigger candle, and the $30 you get both. And each one you get like a free little sample or gift or whatever you'd like to call it. Like it looks like this month is tea, which I like tea, especially caffeinated tea. This is some Earl Grey, so I could use this. The more caffeine the better, even though I probably seem really caffeinated right now because I had a lot of pumpkin spice coffee today. I know I'm that basic bitch, right? But okay, Earl Grey. And there's a little card in here. It's like taped to the side. Let me get it. So it says, adopt the pace of nature. Her secret is patience. Ralph Waldo Emerson. This little quote. And then here's the information page. So it looks like the featured favorites are from Banter and Bliss Candle Co. They're in San Pedro, California. Awesome. I'm excited to see it. So I'll start with the smaller one. I love these bags. I try and reuse them. I have an eBay store. Did I ever talk about that? I don't know. I leave the link in some videos, I think. I don't know if anyone clicks on it, but I do have an eBay store and I do sell some jewelry, so, and I'll mostly clothes, but when I make a sale on jewelry, I usually send them in one of these bags. I don't want to waste them and they're so cute. Okay, this is super cute too. Everything is so cute. Banter and Bliss Bamboo Citron. Coconut Wax Blend, hand-poured luxury candle made in Los Angeles. Oh my god. This is like the best smelling candle ever. I don't even know how to describe it. It's like so good. I wanted to like go like this and be like, smell it guys, smell it. But okay, so let's see what it says in here. It says fragrance notes. Citrus top notes combined with a blend of bamboo and florals. It's inspired by a hike through Maui's Pipiwao Trail. Let the calming scent take you on an adventure throughout the majestic bamboo forest as you listen to the soft sounds of bamboo in the wind. Ooh, that sure sounds nice. This smells so good. I'm just gonna leave it open. Right. No, I want it closer to me. Right here. You can't see it, but I placed it right next to me. All right, on to the big one. I'm excited to smell this one out. That smells so good. Banter and Bliss. Damn. Okay. No, this is super cute too. I really like their packaging. Is that focusing? Yeah. Amber and, is it teak or, yeah, amber and teak coconut wax blend. So they use coconut wax, which is really cool. This smells more like earthy, like trees or something. I really, probably like amber too. I'm such a scent expert. But anyways, it says fragrance notes, top notes of ginger, pepper, and allspice with a base of sandalwood and musk. It's a luxurious combination of ginger, pepper, and allspice on a base of amber, musk, and woody notes, reminiscent of a relaxing day in the Caribbean, which I just did. I mean, it does smell really good. I didn't think Jamaica right away when I smelt it, but there's a lot of Caribbean islands. You know there's over 25? I think I don't even know how many there are, but I didn't realize that till I was looking for a vacation spot. This smells awesome. I'm super happy. I am just trying to think of what I'm gonna light first when I get off. I think I'm gonna go with this one. It just smells more like warm weather, you know? This one smells more fall to me, even though it's Caribbean. I don't know. They both smell great. And I don't know shit about scents, so. Bags are cute, candles smell great. I like tea, especially caffeinated tea, so I am happy. So I will leave Vellabox link down below, as well as my eBay store if you want to check it out, but no pressure. But anyways, I hope you are all having an amazing weekend, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!